welcome to our how-to video series featuring our new ViParts app. The first thing you want to do is go to your phone's app store and search for ViParts. The app will look something like this. You will then download the app. After downloading, you will open the app by pressing the icon on your phone. Once the app opens, you will be able to see the screen here. If you are not signed into the app with your Viessmann account, you will be on the light version of the app. To be able to sign into the app, you will press the menu button. Then you will select the login button. You can then input your username and password into the appropriate boxes. If you do not have an account, you can click on the register button. This will bring you to an online form where you can input the appropriate information into the boxes. Once signed in, or if you prefer to use the light version of the app, you will be at the spare parts search screen. You can tap on the search bar at the top. You can search the product number, which is the first 7 digits of the serial number. You can search the model of the boiler, or you can search the product name. For this demonstration, I'm going to input the boiler model B1KE120. Then you will tap on the search button, and this brings up 261 search results, all related to the B1KE120 model. You will then scroll down the list until you find a 7-digit number that has the model number you are looking for. Then you are going to tap on that section. Once selected, you will be brought to the spare parts section. Again, note up at the top the 7-digit part number to the boiler and also the correct boiler model B1KE120. We can also select drawing at the bottom of the screen at any time to see the exploded diagrams of parts. Let's try and find an igniter part number. We know that from the drawings we cannot see an igniter, so we will have to dive deeper into the boiler to get this part. We know that the igniter lives on the heating side of the boiler, so we will select 0004 heat cell. After selecting that, we now see more parts relating to the heating side of the boiler. We can now go back over to the drawing portion to see if the exploded diagram shows the igniter. We see that it is only the heat exchanger, so we have to go back. Let's select heat exchanger to dive deeper into the boiler. We cannot see the igniter, so we have to go further into the boiler by selecting burner. After selecting burner, we see that the burner parts have come up. Let's go back over to the drawing portion to see if we can see the igniter. As we see here, the igniter now shows up in the drawing portion, so we know we are in the right place. We can also see the position number 0008 that points right to the igniter that we're looking for. If we go back over to the list view and find 0008, you can now select it. A picture will now be provided so you can see all that comes with this part. We can get more information when we click on Details. As you can see on the top of the screen, you have the current part number. You also have a picture of the part. We are also able to find maintenance parts like this igniter very easy. If you look at the top of the screen, you will see a section labeled Maintenance Parts. If you click on this, then a list of common wearable parts will come up. You can then scroll down and you will see the ignition electrode here at the bottom. We also sell a maintenance kit for most of our boilers now. You can find that under the Maintenance tab as well. Once you click on Details, you can see that this set comes up with a burner door gasket, igniter, ionization electrode, both gaskets for the electrodes, replacement screws for the electrodes, and a new gasket for your gas valve connection. We can also use the scan barcode function. If you are in front of the unit, you can select this option. Once you click on Scan Barcode, you will be asked permission to access your camera only during this scan. You will select Yes. If you select No, then you will not be able to use this option. After selecting Yes, you will point the camera to the barcode where the serial number is located on the boiler. This will automatically bring up the list of parts for that boiler. You can also scan individual parts that have a barcode with our boilers now, and it will bring up that part only. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope this video and our new ViParts app helps make your job that much easier. Here at Viessmann, we try to provide the best and quickest solution possible for our customers.